Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super fun and useful. A smartphone! Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a tall rectangle. Great! That will be our phone shape. Now draw another small rectangle inside it. This will be the screen. Draw the side buttons on the phone. Now draw the receive button, the speaker, and the front camera on top. Awesome work! Now let's decorate the screen with fun app icons. First, draw a video player icon. Next, draw a mail icon. Now draw a music icon. Draw a chat bubble icon. Now draw a clock icon.
La da 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 dee.
And finally, draw a camera icon. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Gray color. Cream color. Purple and pink color. Awesome coloring, everyone! Your smartphone drawing looks fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings on Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.